kid, and get it over with. Okay? Here you go, kid. A little Christian formula. Look at that. Changing. Can we do it now? No. He has to drink the whole potion. Every last drop.
Who's there? Alcmene, over here.
Oh, you poor thing. Oh, don't.
Is anybody there?
Now?
Now.
Oh. Well, he must have been abandoned.
Amphitryon. For so many years we prayed to the gods to bless us with a child. Perhaps they've answered our prayers.
Perhaps they have. Hercules.
When he finds out what happened. You mean if he finds out? Of course he's gonna put... If is good.